Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to show with you the three of the hidden features of Laravel. I mean, we as a backend developer has worked a lot with different kinds of things with Laravel, but there are three of the features I really like about Laravel. So I'm going to share with you. I do not know if you know this, but if you know this, it would be a great thing for you. Okay, so the first thing is then the about command. Okay, so php artisan the about command. So the about commands gives you a glimpse of everything in your Laravel project, right? From the environment to the cache to the drivers to everything. But what I have done is that I have created a custom section for this command to be executed. So here you can keep any kind of things like information about the keys or any kind of development information that you wanted to keep hidden from everyone, but you want it here, so all the developers know PH partition about, and then they can unreveal that information, but it is not seen to generalized public, right? Okay, so this is something very useful. So how I have done this, I will come to the I'm come to the that actually. Okay, so if you go into this section and if you go into the app service provider, and you can write this about command, and you can write anything, you can even increase the keys over there, like anything like this. So whatever keys I have put in, two keys, type and author, so you can put any kind of keys and you can create this command exactly. Okay, so this is one of the useful features. So number one. Number two is the API response. This is a game changer for me. Okay, so this is the traditional API I have written. I'm writing APIs a lot, but this is the traditional way I write APIs, like the status, message, response. Okay, so now if you go to the list modified and if you click on this API, it also gives you the same type of response. But you will say, what is the difference between these two? The difference lies in how we create them. So this is the traditional way I called APIs, right? Or create APIs, right? The response object has been created and all those has been created, and then this is repeated in all the stuff. But in the modified, I have not done that. I have created a app service provider, a microservice, a response microservice that use the return structure, right? You can not only use for this return, you can use for numerous type of things in Laravel. Like you can do a calculation, you can do something like differentiating things, you can send out response on submission of the forms. So this microservice is been very useful, and you can see the values are coming in. You can put an array also, you just return that array itself. So this microservice is controlled, or you can put a statistics over here and just send it there. So this microservice helps me a lot. So there is no structure anymore, no more response, no more like writing each and every line of it, and then it's just a structure. Okay, it can be created in different way, but this is a proper way to create it. Actually it can be created by a helper function also, but this is a proper way. This microservice is a proper way, and microservice always used a lot of things. It's a inbuilt structure of the Laravel itself. So this is the second feature that I am very useful to. The third one is something different, the where clause. Okay, so you might be thinking that where clause are all the same. No, it's not that. When you are doing a production grade application, these kind of things matter. So here you can see what I have written. I've written the product where relationship, where user, status, and zero. So I'm creating a relationship between. So it's creating a left join exactly, but I'm not writing a join here. It's where relationship exactly. So I can even write the query like this: user product purchase count is greater than one, and oh sorry, here is something, user product purchase count is greater than one. Okay, so this query will run like the same you have here. on a join query, but it is much more simpler way. It's much more simpler way. So if you go, if you are writing a lot of joins these days, you have to write a lot of joins of different tables. So this is going to be a game changer and very full handy. So how I have created this is that I have just created on the products, I've just created a relation between the product and the user, and obviously the user id is being saved on the user part. Exactly. Okay, so this is how I have created the relationship. Exactly. And this is how I'm calling this. So these are the key features of Laravel. These are the very diamond features of Laravel that I use in a production grade application to simplify things out. I hope this video helps you a lot. I will be submitting the code in the description. Yeah, keep watching, keep coding, and if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.